Hi, Leslie here. Welcome to another daily nature journaling video. Today I thought the writing prompt could be pretty open-ended about midsummer. So we're kind of today I am in about midsummer where I am. And so I walked outside and there was a lot I noticed immediately. The soundscape and also just the air and the breeze. And so take a couple minutes to write about midsummer. Maybe you're watching this video in the middle of winter, and that could help you tune in to the season of summer, or just tune in to whatever season it is for you where you are. Like, try to notice the characteristic things that only happen during this season and try to use all your senses. So I'm hearing the crickets and the cicadas, and I'm hearing a lot of bird song, and I'm feeling this very soft, warm breeze, and there are different flowers, and the light is a certain way. So try to just immerse yourself in it, feel it through osmosis, write a little bit about it, take a couple minutes, and come back. Okay, how did that go? Did you get in tune with the season? Or the midsummer? I'll redo what I wrote. Midsummer, soft, warm breeze, humid, waves of cicadas in rhythm. You can hear them, I hope. Soft pink sky with lavender clouds. There's this kind of soft effect in the sky that feels really summery. Like, skies have really particular seasonality to them. And this is a really soft summer sky that has, like, you can almost see the humidity in the clouds. Like, there's just this diffusion of light. Morning doves, birds silhouetted against the sky, like taking their last flight of the evening. The quality of light has a summery lateness to it, a softness you only find this time of year. Flowers in full bloom, and yet tiny, almost undetectable hints of autumn, one season within another. So I won't tell you what the undetectable hints of, or almost undetectable hints of autumn are, so that perhaps if you live in a place with 4 seasons, you can find them for yourself. Because I around this time of year, I just saw a dove fly over. Around this time of year, birds are just really active right now. Around this time of year, I tend to notice like subtle shifts happening, and they're all around us. So just pay attention and you'll see them too. I'll talk about that soon, I'm sure. Okay, and now on to our sketching prompt. All right, yesterday's theme was lavender, and I'm continuing that today with the sketching, just looking for things of purple color, and interestingly enough, there's quite a bit of that around, so I'm just going to do a purple exploration. Look at these tiny purple flowers, they're really pretty. I'm going to do a little investigation of these. Look how teeny tiny and wonderful this is. It's hard to get it in focus, but that is small. So I'm going to attempt a little sketch of it. It's very star-shaped, isn't it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. Similar to the Rose of Sharon from yesterday. So Alright. I've got some oil pastels because why not? Alright, let's just do, it's very like regular kind of shape. And it has this long stem. It's a little darker purple in the center. I don't know if it's just because it's kind of receding. Yeah, and then it's got this like stem. Kind of looks like it's flying. It's a shooting star. It's got some white at the tip. Nice. I like that. So we can be playful, we can be inexact, we can have fun with it, and that is what I am doing, and that is what I invite you to do. So enjoy. Make a shooting star. Make a purple shooting star. Why not? See you tomorrow.